Consider a timepiece that harmonizes sophistication with precision. Let us delve into the Longines 13ZN chronograph movement. Crafted between the late 1930s and 1940s, it exemplifies innovative engineering techniques. This movement incorporates a flyback mechanism, allowing for instantaneous resetting of the chronograph with a single push. The 13ZN is celebrated for its exceptional accuracy and resilience. Now, let us examine my particular specimen. This is a 1942 Longines 13ZN flyback chronograph, elegantly housed in 18K gold. It has undergone thorough servicing, guaranteeing flawless operation. Its striking design radiates classic allure. This watch transcends mere utility. It represents an artifact of horological history. The craftsmanship reflects Longines' unwavering commitment to quality. In conclusion, the Longines 13ZN chronograph is a remarkable movement. Its distinctive features and timeless design render it a coveted item for collectors. For further insights about this remarkable timepiece, please visit my website. You will find this timepiece for 62.60 Swiss francs on vintage-oyster.com.